Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. This is part 5 of Python tutorial course using Jupyter Notebook. In this tutorial, we'll explain about the dictionary tuple in Python. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. Before watching this video tutorial, I sincerely recommend please watch my previous video series of Python. We'll get those links at the end of this video tutorial. In my last video series, I have showed how to use the list collections in Python. Now let's continue the today's tutorial about the dictionary, tuple, collections in Python. First we'll discuss about the dictionary. In Python, to define a dictionary, just my dictionary is equals to a variable between curly brackets. I'm adding the key colon value. So this is the basic syntax of dictionary in Python. This is the basic syntax of the dictionary in Python. So what is a dictionary? So dictionary is an unordered list of collections. We can change the values and it's indexable. And dictionary contains key value pair. And we can have multiple key values and any type we can add. So key 1, value 2, comma. To add the more key values, we need to separate with comma. Key 2 colon value 2. Now let's check in this my dictionary variable this is a dictionary or not. For that, type is a type. I'm adding my variable my dictionary. Let's run this code. So here we got the dictionary, DICT is a keyword for the dictionary in Python. Now let's check some example of the dictionary. Example DICT is equals to add the dictionary, first we need to add the curly braces. Name is a key and the value is Charan, comma, age colon 28, comma, and the next key is email colon charan@gmail.com. Now let's print the dictionary. Run. So here we got the collections of the dictionary of this variable x DICT. Now to get the particular key value from the dictionary, just simply add here the array. I want to display the name, so I'm adding the key name. So let's check the output. So here we got the output Charan from the key value name. If I add the key age, I'll get the output 28. Run. See here we got the output 28. Suppose if you want to add a new item in this dictionary, just simply add the new key name, which is address, is equals to India, Hyderabad. So when I run this code, oops, here we got an error. We must put here After adding the new value, then we need to print the whole dictionary. Now let's run the code. So here we got the new item address is added successfully to this dictionary. And as I told, we can have different data types in this dictionary, as well as we can use collections also. So for example, here x is equals to is a variable. In curly braces, I am adding the data type string name. The value of the key is Charan, and the next collection I am adding the list collection here. I am adding another key value, list collections URL colon. To add the collections, we need to add in the square brackets A, comma, B, this is comma here, comma, and C. Print X. And I run this code, and see here we got the output of the dictionary, which contains the data type string and the collection list collection also. Now let's check the next tutorial. Now let's check the methods in the dictionary. Here example, x is equals to between curly brackets. I'm adding the key. First one is a name, colon is Jack, comma, and fruits, apple, comma, and the third key is I'm adding color is red. Now if you notice, the above x values contain some dictionary with 3 items. So I want to delete a particular item from this dictionary. For that we use a pop method, x dot tab, and notice here when I click tab, I got a small pop-up window which contains all the methods related to this dictionary. So when I want to delete a particular item from this dictionary, use a pop method. In this pop method, I want to remove these fruits, so I am adding the key value fruits, then print X. Let's check the output. Run, and notice in the output there is no any fruits item in this dictionary. So to remove a particular item from a dictionary, we use pop method. Suppose I want to delete the last collection of this dictionary, which is a color. So we use pop item. Let's check the output. Run, and now notice in this new output there is no any color item here, because we have deleted using the pop item method. So pop is remove a particular item from the dictionary collection, whereas the pop item is remove the last item from the dictionary. Now let's check the another example. Suppose I want to clear the items in the dictionary. For that we use a clear method. So before adding the clear method, let's check the output, and I click print X. We got all the items from the dictionary in the output. Now let's apply the clear method to clear the dictionary. X dot clear method. Now when I run this code, so here I got an empty brackets. So all the items are cleared from this dictionary. Suppose I want to delete the dictionary, just simply add del x. So now we'll check the output. When I run this code, notice I got an error. I'll get an error. See here? Notice we got an error, name x is not defined because we have deleted the dictionary from this x. Now the next method will check. I want to get only the key names from this dictionary. So take this example, run, and notice here the print. When I print x, I got the output of the dictionary, the name, fruits and color. These are the key names and the values are jack, apple and red. Now I want to get only the key names from this dictionary. So for that I'm declaring a variable called getKeys is equals to x dot keys method. So now the print output is getKeys. Let's check the output. So here we got the dictionary keys, name, fruits and color. If you want to get only the values, here the values are jack, apple and red, just simply add dot tab, add values. Now let's check the output. Run. See here we got the dictionary values jack, apple and red. Now let's define the tuples. X is equals to define the tuples we use parentheses a comma b comma c. Let's check type x, run. See here we got the output tuple. So this collection is tuple. I'm not showing all the methods of the tuples because whatever the methods we use in the list collections, the same methods will be applied here. The only difference is we cannot change the value of the tuple items. For example, if you take the list collection, list COLL is equals to add the list collections we use square brackets a comma b comma c. Now I want to change the item b to d. List. I'm adding the index number of this item, which is 1. So 0 is A and 1 is B is equals to, I'm adding D. So let's print we'll check the output, run. See here we got the output ADC. We have changed the value from B to D using the list collections. The same thing if you apply for the tuple, instead of square brackets I'm adding parentheses. Now when I try to run this code, see here we got an error, tuple object does not support item assignment. Suppose if you want to check the duplicate values items in the tuple, take an example, y is equals to, in parentheses I'm adding 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma, I'm adding Charan 3 comma Charan. Now in this collection I have duplicate values Charan and 3. So now let's check x is equals to y dot When I click tab, notice we got a small pop-up window which contains only two methods for this tuple. The count method, it counts the duplicate values. So I want to check how many children are there in this list. Print X. Let's check the output. Run. See, here we got the output. I have two children in this list collection. Let's add 2. I want to check how many 2's are there in this list. We have only 1, so I'm expecting the output 1. Run. See, here we got the output 1. Now the next method will check the index method. So let's delete this one. Y is equals to, in the parenthesis I'm adding 1 comma children 45.0 jack. Now I want to check the index number of this jack. So for that we use the index method. Take another variable x is equals to y dot index method. I'm adding jack. So print x. So here I'm expecting the output 4 because the index value of 0 is 1 is 0. The 1 is children, the index number 2 is 45.0 and the index number 3 is jack. So I'm expecting the value 3 here. Click run. See, here we got 3. If we enter 1, so I want to check the index number of this value 1, which is 0. See here, 0.